First, open the eFootball account that you want to use to claim the friend invitation coins. Tap on Extras, and then click on Invitation and copy the invitation code. Open eFootball in your other Android phone. Then follow the instructions I am showing. Tap on the settings and scroll down and tap on Apps. In the Manage Apps section, search for a football app. And click on Clear Data to erase all data of the current eFootball app. Again, open the eFootball app and create a new eFootball account. Then tap on Extras and tap on Invitation option. Now enter the invitation code of the other eFootball account here. Now you have got 50 coins and do it 5 times to get all of that campaign rewards, and that's it.